Welcome back to Learn About Countries. Today, we're setting our compass for a true paradise on Earth, the beautiful island nation of Fiji. Nestled in the vast South Pacific Ocean, Fiji is a place where turquoise waters kiss white sandy beaches, vibrant coral reefs teem with life, and the warmth of the people is as sunny as the weather. It's no wonder Fiji is often called one of the happiest and most welcoming countries in the world. So, grab your sunglasses and let's dive into the wonders of Fiji. So where exactly is this stunning archipelago? Fiji is located in Oceania, floating in the South Pacific Ocean. If you look at a map, you'll find it to the east of Australia and north of New Zealand. Its capital city is Suva, a bustling hub of culture and commerce. What's truly amazing is that Fiji is made up of over 300 islands, but only about 100 of them are actually inhabited, leaving countless pristine islands to explore. Fiji's history is as rich and layered as its coral reefs. The islands were originally settled thousands of years ago by Melanesian and Polynesian peoples, who established a unique and vibrant culture. The first European contact happened in the 17th century, which eventually led to Fiji becoming a British colony in 1874. After nearly a century under British rule, Fiji proudly gained its independence in 1970. Today, it stands as a democratic republic and is an active member of the Commonwealth, blending its ancient heritage with a modern global outlook. The heart and soul of Fiji is undoubtedly its culture and people. Fijian culture is deeply rooted in respect, community, and hospitality. You'll hear three main languages spoken: English, Fijian, and Hindi, reflecting the nation's diverse heritage. Village life remains a cornerstone of society, with strong community traditions and ceremonies that bring people together. Traditional dances like the mek tell stories of history and legend. And you can't talk about Fijian culture without mentioning their famous greeting, Bula. It means so much more than just hello. It's a warm welcome, a wish for good health, and a genuine expression of happiness. Now, let's talk about something delicious: Fijian food. The cuisine is a mouth-watering fusion of fresh, local ingredients. A must-try dish is kokoda, which is raw fish marinated in coconut cream and citrus juices. It's incredibly refreshing. Root vegetables like taro and cassava are staples, often served with dishes rich in coconut. Being an island nation, fresh seafood is everywhere. And of course, you have to indulge in the abundance of tropical fruits like pineapple, mango, and papaya. A special culinary experience is the lovo, a traditional feast where food is wrapped in leaves and cooked in an underground oven, giving it a smoky, delicious flavor. When it comes to nature, Fiji is simply breathtaking. The country is a postcard-perfect destination with its crystal-clear waters and some of the most spectacular coral reefs in the world. But it's not just about the beaches. Inland, you'll find lush rainforests, cascading waterfalls, and rugged mountains waiting to be explored. This diverse landscape makes Fiji a top destination for adventure lovers, especially for diving and snorkeling, where you can swim alongside a dazzling array of marine life. So what's daily life like in Fiji? The economy is primarily driven by tourism, which is no surprise given its natural beauty. Sugar production and fishing are also major industries, along with agriculture that sustains local communities. For the Fijian people, daily life is a beautiful blend of modern living and deeply ingrained traditional values. Family and community are at the center of everything, creating a society that is both forward-looking and respectful of its past. You can't talk about Fiji without mentioning their passion for sports, especially rugby. Rugby isn't just a game here, it's a part of the national identity. The Fijian national rugby union team is a force to be reckoned with, but it's in rugby sevens that they truly shine. The men's sevens team has famously won Olympic gold medals, bringing immense pride to the nation. Football, or soccer as some call it, is also very popular, but rugby reigns supreme in the hearts of Fijians. Before we wrap up, here are a few fun facts about Fiji. Remember, it's an archipelago of over 300 islands. It's home to one of the world's friendliest cultures. They are world champions in rugby sevens. The local currency is the Fijian dollar, and it's globally renowned for its stunning coral reefs and idyllic beaches, making it a dream destination for travelers. Thanks for joining us on this journey to the incredible islands of Fiji. I hope you enjoyed learning about this amazing country. Don't forget to subscribe to Ehsanullah Jabarkhel. Give this video a thumbs up and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for more adventures. We have many more countries to explore, so stay tuned.